Good afternoon, y'all. This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I am going to make something that I'm sure pretty much every one of you have made before, but in case you haven't, I'm going to show you the best way to make taco seasonings. I'm going to make a taco salad, and just going to use different stuff in here. I've got about 2 pounds of ground beef in here. This is just, I think it's 73.27, so it's going to have a lot of grease in it. But I'm going to show y'all what's the easiest way to get the grease out of your pans, so it won't be such a hassle to use the lower numbered hamburger. Like I said, this is 73.20. I usually use 73.27. I usually use 80.20, but I'm starting to get 10-pound rolls, and I'm putting the stuff back so I can build up my stock again. So anyway, I'm frying this, and then I'm going to, let me get you over here to the table. I'm going to use Tone's Taco Seasoning Blend. This is what I've got. I got this at Sam's, and it's a whole big, it's 23 ounces in it, and so it's a whole big bottle of it. I'm going to be using that, and then I'm going to put some queso comida. I don't even know where this came from, really. Chunky salsa. This is medium, so you know this is probably going to be a little bit hot. But I'm going to put some of that in here. And then I've got Ortega taco sauce. I'm going to use the rest of this just to get it out of my refrigerator. This says medium too, so this meat's probably going to be pretty hot, but I can stand it, hopefully. But anyway, I've got to fry up this hamburger, and when it gets done and ready to drain, I'll show you what an easy way to do your hamburger when frying it, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all. Alright, so the hamburger is done. I'm going to show y'all what I do to get the grease out. And what I do is, this had a lot more in it, but what looks like grease, but it's not. There's also a lot of water in ground beef too, so I cook it until that water is gone and all is left is the grease. And I will tell you that in this 73.27, whatever it is, there is a lot more grease than is in the 80.20. A lot more. But I hope this is going to work. What you do is you turn your pan up. Let me get the thing or whatever. I'm going to have to cut this off. Alright, you turn your pan up and try to get the grease down. And, well, it's not going to work. It's too much in here. But you take paper towels. You take a big gob of paper towels, and you go through with your paper towels, go through that hamburger and get the grease out with paper towels. Makes it so much easier, and it also, you don't have to worry about draining the hamburger, making sure it doesn't go down in your sink and stuff like that. And so I'm using two things of paper towels, but it's just so much easier to do that. And you just take your towels and go through your hamburger, and it gets all of that grease out. I just love doing it this way compared to me having to go into the kitchen and find a colander or strainer or whatever, and then strain the grease out and then put the grease somewhere, because you can't put it in the trash can because it's too hot. And on the paper towels, it cools off really, really fast. And you can put it in the paper towels in your trash can and not worry about it. And, all right, so as you can see, there is not any grease in here. And if this was 80-20, I mean, there's still a little bit in here, but if it was 80-20, there wouldn't be anything in here. And all, and it's just so much cheaper to buy the higher content of fat or whatever. All right, so there it is. You can see there isn't hardly any grease left in there. By the time I get the taco sauce in here and all that, it'll be just fine. All right, so what I'm going to do now is, wait a minute. I have a cup of water that I'm going to put in here. I am going to put the rest of this Ortega taco sauce. This is the original. If I can get the top off. Oh, shoot. I got the grease on my hands and now I can't get the top off. Oh, shoot. All right. Yeah, I have to bring you back. I'm going to have to go get my bottle opener thing. I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so as soon as I turned the camera off and got over there, I got it open. All right, so I'm putting all of this taco sauce in here. Like I said, I want to get this out of my refrigerator. All right, and then I'm going to put, let me shake this salsa up. This came from Aldi. It's medium chunky salsa. So this has been around, oh, but it doesn't have a date on it, which is weird. All right. Got that in there. Now I got to turn this back on. And I'm going to put it says on here for 2 pounds to put, well, a pound you put 1/4 of a cup of seasoning in here. And so I'm going to go on and put 1/2 cup in here. Well, shoot, I hadn't even opened this. That's good. All right. Oh, that was good. I just spilled it all on my new wave. Down on the, look down there, y'all. Isn't that terrible? Well, I'm so messy. All right, so I'm going to put this in here. I hope this isn't too hot. All right, so I'm going to stir all this up. Get it in here good. And if you don't want to put all the salsa and the taco sauce and all that in here, you don't have to. I just like the meat on my tacos or my taco salad or whatever. I like it, you know, moist, wet, juicy. I don't like it where it's real dry. So, all right, so let me cook this for a little while. Cook it for about 5 minutes or so and get the water out of here. And I will bring y'all back with my plate and show you what all I'm putting on it. Okay, y'all. All right, so I'm back. The meat is ready. Everything else that I'm putting on it is ready. All right, so I'm going to start off. I know this really doesn't go with taco salads, but I've got to use this up. So I'm putting some lettuce on my plate. I mean, not lettuce, spinach. Wow. All right, and I'm putting some romaine salad, premium romaine salad on here. And it's got the carrots and the cabbage in it, but it will be okay. All right. I'm going to have to take the rest of this salad mix and make a salad. All right. And then I've got bite-sized tortilla chips that I get from Great Value for this. All right, so I'm going to put the chips on here. I don't know if y'all have Wendy's where you live, but I guess you do. I guess Wendy's is all over the United States or whatever. But these Wendy's does this, makes that taco salad or whatever with these little chips. All right, let me get y'all there. I don't want it to be a glare on it. I want you to be able to see it. That may be better. Let's hope my thing will stay locked. All right, now I'm going to put the taco meat on here. And I didn't get the grease out of that as good as I normally do. But like I said, I normally use 80-20. And this was just a 73-27. And you can put, oh my gosh, there's so much that you can do with this. If y'all haven't done this before, you can put chili beans on here just like Wendy's does. You can put refried beans. The refried beans would be what I wish that I had fixed today, but I didn't fix it. So I'm putting a lot of taco meat on there. All right, now the next thing that I'm going to put, oh wait, I gotta put my cheese on there next, because I want my cheese to be kind of, yeah, gotta put my cheese on next, and it'll melt a little bit because the ground beef is still hot. All right. And so, like I said, there is so much you can do with this. The refried beans, the Mexican rice, sour cream, which is what I'm putting on here next. Sour cream. And then just kind of, I don't know, this is so, usually I think I put the sour cream on before I put the ground beef on, because it's a little bit hard to spread out like this. All right, and now I've got my salsa. Put a little bit of salsa on here, and I tasted the meat, and it isn't spicy, thank goodness. All right, so there is my taco salad. All right, now let me get off of here and take some pictures, and I will bring y'all right back. Okay, y'all. All right, so I'm back. Took some photos of it for the video. And now we're going to taste this and see what it tastes like. I cannot wait. Oh, I got a piece of spinach, yes. So let's see what this tastes like with spinach on it. You can't taste the difference. Spinach and lettuce and all those things, when they're raw like this, pretty much taste the same. So I'm telling you though, This is going to hit the spot for me. There's another piece of lettuce. All right, y'all. Like I said, you can do so much with this. You can put olives on it. I don't know. You can jalapenos. You can put those on it. I just am not into the hot stuff that much. So, I mean, I like it a little bit hot, but not so hot that it would have, you know, like the jalapenos or whatever on there. All right, y'all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. Also, there's links below to different things that I use in my kitchen that y'all can purchase at Amazon for no extra price. I mean, no extra money or whatever for it. And it's just that I am I can't even think of the word that it is, associate of, I guess, of Amazon, and do make a few pennies off of the things that I promote on there, and which does helps me buy food to cook for y'all. It helps me buy maybe the utensils that I use, or the Ninja Foodies that I use, or the Ninja ovens, or it helps me a lot. And I do hope that y'all have a good week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.